Everything you're seeing was made by hand, one at a time, at Cobb Mountain. No templates, no repeats. My name is Vance. I'm a woodworker in Cobb, California, and lately I've been obsessed with making bandsaw boxes. Each piece is designed as I go. When it's done, it's done. There won't be another one like it. These aren't mass-produced. They are built start to finish by hand, using figured walnut, madrone burl, reclaimed material, and whatever the wood wants to do that day. Some of these are available through my Etsy shop at Cobb Mountain Woodworks. Links in my bio, along with my other socials. I live stream from the shop almost every night around 6 or 7 p.m. Pacific. If you want to see how these are made, mistakes and all, that's where it happens. I'm growing my YouTube channel, and I'm doing giveaways at 500 and 1,000 subscribers. Handmade pieces that I have built live on stream. If you are into woodworking, subscribe. Come hang out.